Oh my god. This is so exciting. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Gucci haul. I purchased two items from Gucci this past weekend at the Shore Hills Mall. And yeah, if you want to see what I got, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, I have been eyeing these two pieces up for such a long time. We went in store, tried them on, and I wasn't planning on buying them, but then like I just fell more in love with the two pieces, so I just bought them. It came in this huge Gucci bag. It won't even fit in the camera lens. And I just took the ribbon off the top. The first piece I got, as I'm not gonna lie, I opened this one up, but I didn't open the bigger box up yet. So yeah, I got this little SLG, as you can tell, this little box, and it just comes in the classic Gucci box. I love Gucci boxes. They are just so classic and chic, and I just love them so much. So I took off the ribbon, and I did open, like I said, I did open it up, but here is the box. And I love how they added some tissue paper. Love that detail about that. Can't talk today. So here is the Gucci dust bag that it comes in. I love this so much. It's so cute. Just has a classic Gucci stamp embroidered, not embroidered, but like it's on the dust bag. Silky smooth. And to reveal what I picked up is, oh yes, this is the Gucci Gigi Marmont card holder in the black Marmont print. I think it's Marmont Matelasse card holder, and the gold classic GGs. And this card holder has two pockets right here. It has two back pockets, also a middle compartment, and it is just so like soft and like very like that plushy puffy feeling. I just love it. It's just it's made very, very well. And yeah, this is the first thing that I got. Big one. I'm so nervous. I don't know why. Okay. This is the box that it came with for this item. Taking the Gucci ribbon off. Putting that aside. And this box, I believe, yes, it is. It is a magnetic closure, which I have not gotten ever before. So that's the box. And opening up the box, comes in with the Gucci sticker. So exciting. Okay, I'm gonna try not to rip it. I managed to get it without ripping the tissue paper. Okay, here it is. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is the box. Okay, so this is the Gucci dust bag that it comes in. Very, very big. Also drawstring. I love their drawstring dust bags. Sorry, I'm just like very nervous and kind of speechless. It's so exciting. So I did ask for a brand new one, and here's a little sneak peek. And uh-oh, you can see a little bit of it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I do recommend, when you are putting money into a luxury good and you're buying it at the luxury store, I would always ask for a brand new one that's not been untouched. I mean, you're investing your money into something expensive. You want something to be coming in its finest condition, you know? Taking this off. Oh my god. exciting. Da, 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 da. Yes, guys, yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, that new luxury smell. Oh, to die for. Okay. So let me just take this little piece off. This is called the Gucci Marmont Matelasse camera bag, I want to say. There is a bigger version of this. This is the mini, and then they have like a little bit bigger version, about this big, but it just looked like more of like a makeup bag, and it was just way too big. I love this bag so much. I just love every detail about it. It has the classic, of course, the Marmont. It is just very like squishy and like, oh, it's just amazing. It's very well stitched. It has a gold toned hardware, like I said. It has this tassel for the zipper, and what I love about this bag is that the strap is leather, but also at the ends of the strap it comes with the gold toned chain, just to give it more like a chic kind of vibe. And the back has the GG embroidered into it, and I think that's great, because if you're going somewhere that you want to be a little more understated, you can wear it on this side. But if you're trying to be outspoken and bold that day with your outfit, then I recommend with this side, the front side. So let's get into the bag. The zipper is very buttery smooth. Okay, it comes packaged. Oh jeez. Okay, taking that out. Just more tissue paper. Right, and then the interior is all microfiber suede lining. I love that. It's so soft. And it just has one pocket at the back of the purse, like that. And what comes in here, so they have the responsibility cards, and then also the I don't know what this is called, just the number for the bag, I guess. I don't know. So yes, the interior is all microfiber sueding. It is just so beautiful. So that is my little unboxing, little haul for you guys from Gucci. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I tend to make videos 2 times a week. I'm not sure yet what like my schedule is going to be, but I will update you guys. And also go follow me on Instagram. I will be posting these bags. So yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.